Don't need that chopper. Stay low. Should be okay now.
Signed, sealed, and delivered. Now the rebels can come claim it.
Hope that makes them get use of whatever's inside it. I'd hate to think we came all this way for nothing.
Kumpas, this is Pat Katari. Because of your victories, my men are starting to have hope again.
Good morale makes a stronger soldier.
Yes, hope makes men fight. But our fight will need more than sentiment if we are to succeed.
Don't worry, Pac. This party's just getting started. Nomad out. Got eyes on the cartel supply chopper. Let's hijack it and divert its payload to the rebels instead. Marking a captain. I see a second target.
Round just missed him. He's looking for the source. Watch your step. These guys know something's up.
Los putos sureños están fuera de nuestro alcance. ¡Van en refuerzos, carajo!
Chopper inbound. Chopper, down. Get down! Hang on, I'm coming.
Fucking hell.
We got a chopper coming in.
Shit balls. Bowman. We just crossed into Barvechos.
Good news. Sueño sent an accountant named Polpo to Barvechos to check out Nydia Flores' books. Word is Polpo is a hawk. He doesn't let anyone cut any corners.
So whether she's skimming from Sueño or not, Nydia is not happy to have Pulpo looking into her.
The cartel smuggles its profits into Barvechos from Brazil, and then most of that gets laundered through Banco de Barvechos.
With Pulpo already about to gum up the works, there has to be some way we can use that to sabotage the entire process.
Maybe Sueño already believes Nydia Flores has sticky fingers. To know for sure, we need to get hands on Polpo. Our intel places his junior partner and right-hand man, a guy named Wagner, at a silver mine in Barvechos. Grab Wagner and make him cough up Polpo's location.
Oh, hell. Well, there's all...
Just stay down, I'll be right there.
God damn, that was close. Our friendly neighborhood CIA officer just sent us a video. Who's got the popcorn?